G'day guys, and welcome back to another video from a lot of Cisco questions, and today will be all about configuring banners. A pretty quick one today. For those of you new to the channel, welcome on board and hope you enjoy the questions and my content. 495, you are configuring banners on your Cisco router. Which of the following banners is displayed last? So we've got the exec banner, the login banner, the message of the day banner. All banners are shown at the same time. Wrote memory this one, so the answer is A, the exec banner. That is the last one amongst the list that was provided. 496, which of the following commands configures a proper message of the day banner? So we've got, yes, a list there. It's basically a matter of, do we need to be in privileged executive mode, global configuration mode. There's 3 that are, so that would suggest that most likely to be in that camp. I'll give you the answer and explain it. It's basically syntactically knowing how to do it. The answer is C. Use the following commands, so banner, message of the day, hash, and then this device is for authorized individuals only. So they normally pop up on like computers and stuff if they're owned by a company, the message of the day, or just the general banner. 497, which of the following banner type displays before the user is asked to log in, but after the message of the day banner? We've got exec, MOTD, log out, log in. So if you go by what I was just saying there, that is login. D is the answer for that one, which the following banner displays before the user is asked logged in. Yeah, but after. There you go. Yep. So after the banner normally comes up, you normally press like enter or something, and then it gets through to where you need to log in. So there you go. That's all. Really quick one today, guys. So hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe away, all that amazing stuff, and appreciate your time. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.